Good day my friends and welcome to the channel. In this one I will show you how to enable Gmail two-factor authentication for security. So Gmail being one of the vast ecosystems of Google is just a small part, but in order to enable two-factor authentication for Gmail, you'll have to enable it globally on your Google accounts. So press on your profile picture here and go to your settings. So just press manage your Google accounts. After that, you need to navigate to security and sign in. Okay, and from this screen, just tap on two-factor verification. Then input your password. Okay, and bingo, on this screen, you will have various ways of adding your two-factor authentication. You can choose pass keys and security keys. You can choose a Google prompt, and you can also use Authenticator or also your mobile phone. So whatever you wish to enable, just use it. Press on it and set it as your primary authentication method, and you're good to go. Enjoy.